Hello and welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. International recording artists Popcaan and Dre Island have jumped on the remix for Zamunda's 2009 hit single, Ja Love Surrounds Me. The collaboration, titled simply Ja Love, sees the two artists adding their verses to the hit hook.
When them a try fight, all I see is loving me. Never forget the teaching of His Majesty. Papa said for raise his standard, no blessings flowing. Them no like how Zamunda locks keep growing. Love in every language, it coming straight from the heart. Keep the right energy, focus on prosperity. Now all we see, love surround me.
In a release, Zamunda explains the song is a symbol of unity and love in the music industry and society, especially with what he describes as the distractions and evil taking place right now, adding that Ja is the only answer. Zamunda didn't miss the opportunity to urge his fellow artists as well as at-risk youths to stay away from crime because, as he puts it, too many artists are getting in trouble with the law and the crime rate is rising at an alarming rate. Great message. Great song. Now, Usain Bolt is not slowing down as the sprint legend turned music producer over the weekend teased another single, tagging this video saying, "Say less, me and my friend them there." The video starts with Usain on the intro saying, "Them say A-Team never ready, you know. You should have never get involved in this."
Them say A-Team never ready, you know. We should get involved in this. But get on. I know people. Oh boy, them come on. What you boy do you look for me? Hey, Jay, stop serious, man. Can you tune out? Let's go.
Me and my friend them there. All the vibes and don't care. The girls them hot for them on a night here, one we fresh. Oh man, a night here. Who said to wanna change everything and not here?
The anticipated track follows their recent trending single, Living the Dream with manager NJ. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.